Hi everybody, this is Pierre from Reception Academy. Today we are going to correct the exercise number 3 from our home study guide.
Please note this tutorial video has been designed for students taking the Opera PMS home study course. If you don't have already access to the software, you could find more information about the course on our website. I have added the course link to the video description below, and you could get Opera PMS installed and tag along. You just have to click on book now.
For this exercise, I have created a booking under the name of Paul Knight. So just open the reservation. Here we are. So your first challenge was to create a booking for 3 adults and the rate to include breakfast. As you can see, I've got 3 adults here. Now, if you click on your red code drop-down menu, you will get your red grid. If I was selecting any room type, let's say a double, for example, the system will give me an error message telling me that the maximum occupancy is 2 guests. Would you like to override? So the only room type you could have selected was a double deluxe or a King Junior suite, and you wanted the rate which was with breakfast, or bar BB. As you can see, there is a package which is a full English breakfast. Get back my double deluxe and I press OK. Your guest wants to check in at 11 o'clock in the evening. So what you wanted to do is go to Specials, click on the drop-down menu, select in your list Let Arrival, which is down the list just here, add a cross, click OK. System asks you if you want it to the profile, click No. And you want it to put in arrival tile 11 o'clock, so 2300, and press Tab. It's important to inform the front office department over to book out that room. Click Save. Your guest requested an extra bed for the 3rd guest. So if it was a King Junior suite, a twin executive, or queen executive, we would have created an extra bed request as I have shown it to you on the exercise number 2. However, because it's a double deluxe, as you can see, there is a sofa inside. So we want the housekeeping department to open the sofa bed. To do so, go to Specials, click on the drop-down menu, go down your list, select sofa bed, press OK. In most hotels, that will be enough for the department to open the sofa bed. Say no for future stay, we don't want that to the profile. However, we want to double it, just to be on the safe side. So we want to create a trace also to inform the department. Click on Options, select Traces. The date of stay are here by default, fantastic. Select Housekeeping Department, and here type in, please open sofa bed. Then click on OK, close the panel, close your option panel, and save. Your guest always wants a room on the low floor. Go to Features, click on the drop-down menu, go down your list, select low floor, add a cross, click on OK. The system will prompt you with a question about attaching it to the profile. Because it's for every stay, we click on Yes to attach it to the profile. Press Save. As you can see, the system will have created your profile preferences. If you click on it, you can see that the low floor has been added. Close. Your guest requested the XXXXX magazine and USA Today for every stay. So let's start with the USA Today. Go to Preferences, click on the drop-down menu, select the News tab, by default it's selected, go down the list, and click on USA Today. Add a cross, click OK. System prompts you about selecting it and adding it to the profile. Say yes, because we will need it for every stay. Click Save. Now, I already explained you how to do the XXX magazine. We've done it in the exercise number 2, I believe. Now, it was only for one stay. In that occasion, you want it for every time. So in addition of being a trace, it will be also a profile note. So Option, Traces, click on New, and here select Concierge, which is the department going the newspaper, and here write down please arrange. So let's take the same magazine, Reception Academy magazine, to be delivered to the room prior to arrival, And here, what you want to put your estimated time of arrival, which was 11 o'clock at night. And okay, because we need to make a profile note, what we want as well is we want to select a part of the message. So technically we want to select all the message besides the time of arrival. Hold Control, press C, click on OK. That's to copy. Close your panel, close your option panel. And now we wanted to make the profile notes. So to do so, you want to go to your profile ellipsis, just here. Go to the side, for it to pop. Then we'll have to click on options, just here. And then we want to select notes. As soon as the panel pop up, here we are. And that's a concierge note. So we can click on the drop-down menu and press OK. And here what you want to do is you want to write down the title. The title will be summarizing what you will discuss in the big box. So let's click magazine. And what we want to do here to go fast is we want to copy the message, not to copy but to paste it. By doing Ctrl and V, you will paste what you copied before. And here we need to add for each step because it needs to show that it's happening more than once. Now to complete your profile note, just press OK. Close that panel. We are back on the profile. Click OK on the profile and you are back on your reservation. Press save. Guest has 5 letters to collect from concierge on arrival. So you needed a reminder. Click on options. Select alerts. In code you select package. Area you wanted to, and then over on arrival, so select check-in. And here free types. Guest has 5 letters to collect from concierge on arrival. And you correct your typo, works better. Guest has 5 letters to collect from concierge, and you click on OK. Then you press close, and then you close your option panel. And press save. Update guest address details on the system. So click on the profile ellipsis, and here you will have to type in the address. That's important that the first line of the address with the house number, the city, the postcode, and the country are all with the correct casing. So let's write 10 Whitehall. And we say this is in London, and then E17 and F. And once you are done and you're happy with everything, you press OK and you click on save just here. For the last task, your guest requested a mini fridge in the room. So here what you want to create is an item inventory because we need to block and reserve that mini fridge. Click on the drop-down menu, click on New, select your mini fridge from the list. Don't have to change any date or quantity, one fridge is enough. Press OK. And here as you can see the request has been created. Press OK. Now it's booked. However, once you press save, you will be prompted with would you like to create a trace? You need to inform the department to deliver it upstairs. So you say yes to it. And here you can see that the system uses a template. Press on OK. And press save. This brings the correction of exercise number 3 to an end. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to welcoming you back in our next tutorial video.